Okay, hi everybody. My legal name is Sarah Ray Nip. So I'm doing an experiment, kind of starting to, notice a few things, and I think I may be a gender or gender neutral, more likely a gender because I just don't like being female whatsoever. So I'm going about this very scientifically. If you want more of my personality and like my goofiness and distractions and more detail on this stuff, then go to my Facebook. It's the Potato of Science, so go to that page and you can find whatever. Basically I'm doing an experiment. It's an anxiety gender experiment, and I kind of started this. I kind of realized I was having gender, like, I don't feel cisgendered back in maybe July. I could go in more details, but I'm not going to go into all my emotions, which is a very key part of the science. So please, if you want to understand more in detail, go to the Facebook page. Basically, observation. My anxiety has decreased when I am identifying as male or no gender. Reasons for this is very reasonable. I have always been more of a tomboy. Some people think I am a lesbian or something. Yeah, more details on Facebook. I feel more natural being seen as male, or really neither gender. Like, don't assign me a gender. It took me longer to realize these feelings, probably because I was taught that, gender identity is the same thing as sex, yada yada. I guess the question for this is, am I non-binary? Am I transgender? Am I, agender? Am I gender neutral? Just kind of like, what the hell is my identity here? I've kind of always had identity issues, and once again, I can go in more details, but I won't to save time because my phone sucks. I've been taught to just deal with it, and due to just dealing with other things and, sucking it up, I just am better at hiding, a lot of how I feel sometimes. I used I don't care, really, to kind of just hide it. And I guess the hypothesis for this experiment is, if I identify as male or non-binary, like a gender neutral, then, then my anxiety will decrease. So basically, identify as non-binary, anxiety goes away. Okay, not completely, but you know what I mean. I'm sorry, I'm distracted. See. So I'll get more back on the full experiment next time. I'm actually just now starting college, so yeah. So I mean, I guess it's kind of a good and a bad thing, Once again, Facebook. I will come back with, like, my anxiety levels in